Rahim. Dear student, welcome to Uswa Students Guide YouTube channel. Now, this is our next lecture about programming environment. In our previous lecture, we have discussed what is programming, what are the types of programming languages, and what are the compiler interpreter. Now, this is the next lecture in which we will discuss about environment of programming language. Programming environment is the set of process or the programming tools used to develop the computer programs. In other words, we can say that the tools that will use in programming language are the part of the programming environment. In the past, programmers used various stand-alone programming tools for developing computer programs. These include editor, compiler, linker, debugger. Editor is the program in which the programmer or software developer type his program. Compiler is used to compile that program and convert the high level language into low level language for the machine, for the computer. And next is linker. Linker is that link between editor, compiler and debugger. And last is the debugger. Debugger means debugging is a process in which to find the error and remove that error. Using the separate program provided a difficult and the time consuming environment for creating the computer program, because the programmer has suffered work on each different software to compile or to solve the program or to make any kind of a software. IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, is an application package that is a combination of editor, compiler, linker and the debugger. All the package is available with the graphical user interface or GUI. Now, what is IDE or the Integrated Development Environment? Most of the new programming languages use Integrated Development Environment IDE to create, compile and run the program. It computes software that bring all the process and tools required for programming development into one place. IDEs aim to make a life of programmer easier by grouping together all the tasks needed for the building applications into the one environment at the one place. Now, programming language environment of programming language. A C language IDE consists of the following module: text editor, number 2 compiler, number 3 linker, number 4 loader and number 5 debugger. A text editor is a simple word processor that is used to create and edit a source code of a program. Means to write a program in any kind of software is known as text editor. This is like a simple word processor program as shown in the figure. Most of the editor automatically highlight compile error to simplify and removing them. The benefit of text editor is that if there is any kind of error, then the compiler automatically tells by highlighting the program that line. Next is compiler. Compiler is a computer software that translates the C language program source code into the object code to understand and executable by the computer as shown in the figure. It also detects syntax errors and source program and gives hints to the programmer to correct them. Syntax errors means if the programmer is not following the rules of the programming language, then there will be error occur that is known as syntax error. A compiler will only create object program if all the syntax error in a programming have been corrected, if they existed. It means the programmer had write the good and correct program, then the compiler will automatically compile that program into the machine code. A program with written in C language has the extension .c. For example, first.c means we have to save that program with the extension of .c. After compilation, the object program extension will be object. For example, first.object. It means source program and object program. The compiler check this program and the extension will become .c. After compilation, the result will be first.obj. Dear student, here is a block diagram of the compiler. There is a source program and next is the compiler software, and that will come the software with the object program, and after converting into the object program, then the object program will go to the linker software, library functions, and the executable program .exe files. Next is linker. Linker is a software that translates the object program into the single executable program as shown in the figure. During its process, if it could not find the definition of particular function that is used in the program, then it would assume that it is defined in the C library. It will replace this function in the object program with the code from C library and then create a single executable program. Linker will use to link the program and to help the program for the compilation. Loader. It is a software that loads a program into the memory and execute them. Next is debugger. Debugger means, as I discussed earlier and in my previous lecture also I discussed, that debugging is a program or a software or the process in which to find the error and remove them. Whenever a programmer or software developer write a program, then after compilation, then if there is any error, then debugger will help to find the error and remove them. It is a software that executes the program line by line, examines the values stored in the variable and help the finding and removing error. Dear student, this is a short lecture and I have completed the IDE integrated development environment. Now in next lecture I will discuss about the programming basis. Thank you very much.